What's up, you guys? This is Jesse's Paint Jobs, and today we're going to be custom painting a Canyon Aeroad CF SLX. We're going to start off with hitting this bike with some white sealer. I know some of the returning viewers are probably thinking,
"You say that every time."
But the sealer is a really important step, and it makes sure that my paint bonds to the frame really well and I have no issues later on, so I always like to mention that while I'm starting my videos. Another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about in this video was sanding the bike down to bare carbon. A lot of custom painters recommend sanding your bike all the way down to bare carbon, but in my opinion, it's pretty unnecessary. If you're really worried about a couple grams of paint, then I guess it makes sense, but really, it's not going to do much for you. And I get it if you're a racer and you're always worrying about every last ounce on your bike, but honestly, most people's water bottle is way more than the paint on this bike. So if you're just an average rider and you just ride for your hobby and just having fun, I really wouldn't worry about that extra little bit of paint that I leave behind when prepping a bike. And that doesn't mean that I don't sand bikes all the way down to carbon when customers ask for it. Of course, if you ask me to sand it all the way down, I will. It just is really time consuming, and I'm definitely going to charge you extra for it.
Time is money, friend.
Alright, that's enough of me yapping. Let's get back to painting this bike frame. I'm just finishing up spraying the white base, and now I gotta wait 15 minutes for this paint to dry.
I'm waiting, old man.
Seems like I've run out of waiting time.
Now that the paint is finally dry to the touch, I could go ahead and apply my stencils.
So cool.
Now that I got my decals on and I got them all masked up, I could go ahead and spray them in. Now that I got all the logos onto the frame, I'm going to be spraying this whole bike with some Gold X Pearl from Did Spade. If you guys ever want to look up some really cool color shift colors, I would highly recommend checking out didspade.com for all their color shift pearls. Right here, I forgot that the pearls are really thick and the little screen inside these cups isn't going to allow the pearl to get through, so I need to go ahead and cut this out. The only issue I have with spraying this pearl is that it goes everywhere, and I'm gonna be pooping glitter for a week.
I am not a quitter, pocket full of glitter.
Now this bike is pretty much done. I just need to take off this masking on the UCI logo, and then this bike is ready for some clear. And here's a clip of this bike all cleared in, and after this I'm going to show you guys what this bike looks like in the sunlight.
"24 hours later."
Alright you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this one, please leave me a like, drop a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.